Hey guys, welcome. Here's a second FSD video after the latest install of 13.2.9. I'm going to go and pick up some lunch from Sweetgreens, so I just want to see how it's going to do in the Backroads. So I'm just going to put FSD on right now. Now, clearly these are residential roads. This is obviously a two-way and there is no marking in the middle, but I think it kind of still knows that it is a two-way street, because there will be times when it starts to put a yellow line in the middle. Now this intersection that's coming up with two stop signs, as you can see there, it's an interesting one, but usually FSD gets it right. So let's see how it does for this latest release. All right, there's nobody coming. Go, go, go. All right. Okay, this is not where you're supposed to stop. You're supposed to stop at that other line, but I guess it's okay. Okay, car is coming. Don't go. That's good. Wow, this guy was driving on Grand Prix. Go, 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 go. Man, that white car was almost drifting. That's interesting. Probably too much coffee in the morning for that guy. So again, the FSD is right now set to hurry, which is be aggressive, basically. So let's see how it does. Again, an open left turn after a stop. And this road kind of gets busy. So let's see how it does here. Yeah, my foot is on the brake, just in case. Please stop here. Okay, good. Wait for that guy. Wait for this guy coming from the other side. More cars coming. Okay, go, 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 go. Nice. This is a school zone, and typically 20 miles is the speed limit only during school hours. But again, as you can see, there's a game going on right now. It's a weekend. But the overall road here, it's kind of narrow. So if you have a mail truck or something else standing around, then it becomes a real problem. That was a pothole. I wish there was a feature in FSD where it would actually avoid potholes. That would be nice, because sometimes these potholes line up exactly with the wheel and you get getting these bumps. Okay, so are you going to give way? Oh yeah, this guy's giving way. So it would have been interesting to see if FSD would actually slow down for that other guy to go, but usually FSD doesn't do that. It doesn't stop for other people. If it has the right of way, it will take it. So maybe there should be an empathy setting somewhere. So that's interesting. Phantom wiper. Why the hell is the wiper coming on? There is no rain. Okay, so that's been a nuisance. It's better than before, but nevertheless it still shows up every so often, where the wiper just comes and does a little "hey, I'm here" kind of a deal when there is not a single drop of rain. This left turn is interesting. Even though there is a dedicated left turn signal here, it's just too many cars from all directions. It gets to be a pretty busy road, and this actually heads towards the 95 intersection, so kind of gets hairy. Let's see how it does. Also, the other thing is, during the weekend there are cops there that will try and guide traffic, so that there's no serious traffic jam on one specific direction. I don't know if this thing will understand hand signals, so I may have to take it off if that happens. Again, just very curious to see what will happen. Oh, that's an interesting sweepy turn it took, because it was filling up. When I say filling up, I mean the traffic was backing up. So it wanted to, I think, not be on the intersection. Okay, as you can see, there are cops there. So let's see. Okay, keep going, keep going, keep going. Yeah, I didn't do anything. It just kept going. I I don't know what would have happened if the guy had said, "Hey, you need to stop now." Okay, changing lanes. Why are you changing lanes here? Okay, you're supposed to go straight, and then all the way down after about 3 signals, you're supposed to take a right. So it went through that yellow, which is interesting. Good, interesting, I would say. Um, Front car turn signals, FSD does a really good job. It will let other people come in if there's a turn signal and things like that. So that really works well. Even before 13.2.9, 13.2.8 was actually pretty good. So again, the release notes on 13.2.9 is kind of a copy paste of the previous one. So it's hard to exactly know what new stuff has come, but the only way to find out then is you make these little videos and see how it behaves. Come on, there's nobody there. Move it. If you really want to go and take a ride or change lanes, change lanes. Okay, it's going to go in from here and then go to the Sweetgreens that's further down there. Fine. There's also a supercharger right here. So this is the Burlington Mall supercharger. Good job. You need to come this side because if you were on the other lane, you'd have ended up in the parking lot there. So that's a good job there. Please behave on the stop sign. Okay. You can go. All right. So those are the superchargers there, and the Sweetgreens is here. Oh, the other cool thing is, even 30.2.8 and of course 9, they do understand speed bumps. Not the subtle ones, but at least the ones that are marked properly. It will slow down for speed bumps. That's pretty cool. Okay. How are you going to stop here? Let's see. Really, I should take over at this point, but I'm just curious what it's going to do. Why are you going there? Are you looking for parking at this point? Oh, come on, it's just going to go around the whole thing again. All right, so I've taken it over at this point because I just want to park and get the food. Stop the turn signal. I'm just going to go park there. And I'm probably going to do a simple nose in parking. These two cars are interesting. Okay, fine. All right, there you go. So no eventful anything, just behaved normally, which is actually pretty good. So maybe we should keep going. I'll go grab the food and I'll come back and we'll go home and go on FSD again. See you in a bit. All right, guys. So I'm back after picking up the food. We're gonna go back home right now. So I'm just gonna pull out of this spot. Yeah, usually FSD never does reversing, even though it should. I mean, or rather, it should be able to because it's doing auto parking. But for regular driving, it never reverses. At least I've never seen it. Okay, let's get out of this little spot here. So much awesomeness for all-wheel steering. As you can see, those things are turning around. Okay, so as soon as I straighten up here, I'm going to put the car on FSD and see how it takes me. Okay. All right, we are on FSD. And as you can see, now it's raining, but where the hell is the bloody wiper? Okay, stop sign. Let's see how it does. You can go. Yeah, go, go, go. Yep, you're going to have to go left. That's good. Again, where's the wiper? Still no wiper. Come on, if somebody in Tesla is watching this, can't you guys fix the wiper code? Really? Is it that hard? Now, clearly the rain is not affecting the vision. At least that's what it looks like. Okay, green light. Yay! Congratulations. Well, somebody seems to have woken up. It's interesting. Is it the rate of change of the droplets on the windshield that activates it, or is it the vision itself getting blurred out, or is it both? It'll be interesting to find out how they actually do it, and why is it so sucky at times. Right, here we go. Now, I don't want to go on the highway, and the 95 exits actually end up coming on this side, so it should change lanes and go to the right, unless it's decided to go on the highway. Oh no, okay, good. Again, this road kind of starts to get, even though the traffic is not unruly, it still starts to get somewhat crowded, because there are strip malls on both sides, and of course, it's a major intersection with I-95. And there is a huge mall on the other side, the Burlington Mall in Mass. Okay, so nice, it swept into this lane. That is good. It should eventually go to the right. Let's see how it does. Okay, good. It should change over as there's a right turn coming up. It waited for that car to go ahead and then switched over in the gap between this one and the one at the back. Okay. The cops are still out there. So we're going to take a right turn from here. Now this is a free right turn. There is no turn on red, but I think it's green, so it should be fine. Yeah, it's just well-marked roads. 30 is the speed limit. It's just doing fine. Yeah, it will be interesting if there's a UPS truck standing here. It's happened a few times, and it actually does a pretty decent job going around and peek out and look for traffic that's coming. There's a left turn coming up, and again, FSD has done this 1,000 times, so I think no problems here. Now this double stop sign that's coming up ahead, I don't like that one even when I'm driving myself. It's a weird one. You have to wait, look for, peep out, kind of poke your nose out, look for cars coming from both sides, and then it's just a pain. Let's see how it does. Okay, so it says nose out. Keep going. Awesome. So again, this is exactly what I would do as a human. Go a little bit, check, and then keep going. That's good. Another stop sign, nothing here, and then we are back to the real back roads now. As you can see, it starts to put this yellow double line even though there's nothing there, because it starts to realize it's a two-way. It's kind of interesting. Okay, now here's an interesting thing. It's going to cross this stop sign. My house is on the left, but it somehow thinks that the house is on the right, and it just stops here, and it puts this turn signal. Dude, you went past my house. Yo. And now you see it wants to go around. You know what? So be it. Let's see what it does. What the hell are you doing? Either keep going or stop. Yeah, it's terrible at the moment when it reaches the destination. Okay, as you can see, it just stopped. Now I could tap the accelerator and let it do what it's supposed to do here, where it's trying to go around this little loop and come back here, and it's probably going to be an infinite loop. But okay, I'm going to tap the gas and see what happens. Okay, just tapped it. Okay. That's another junction with this road here. I don't like it because it's kind of a little bit of a blind roadway, but it's all right. Let's see. Okay, go. Also, this rotary is a disaster of a turn over here. It's really sharp, and it almost pretty much goes on the other side before it recovers and comes back in. Let's see how it does here. Okay. Dude, go. Okay. All right, so it's obviously on the other side, and now it's going to recover in and go back. So actually that's pretty good. Previous versions of FSD has ended up in the other guy's backyard, so it's pretty good. Okay, so this time I don't have any intentions of going and doing the loop again, so I'm just going to take over and park the car. Okay, buddy, wake up. This side, all right? This side is the house. All right, guys, thank you very much. Hope you have fun watching this. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.